Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be getting the 240 ready to go row crop cultivate some corn. We have to take the duals off of the 240, and then we have to put the hitch, the guidance hitch, on the back of the 240. It's like a buffalo guidance hitch, and it helps guide the cultivator between the rows. And then we have to put that on, and then we also have to hook up to the cultivator and weld some things on that. I think we have to weld some things, and then otherwise it should be ready to go. But it is a little bit muddy still, so I don't think we'll be cultivating within the next day. But we should be able to cultivate on Saturday if it stays sunny and if it dries out. So we'll just see what happens. We got the duals off, and so now we're just giving the tractor a little bath because it had some dust on it, and then it got rained on, and then it looked nasty. So we got it a little bath, and now we're going to go put the steering guidance hitch on the back. Okay guys, so it's Saturday morning and we didn't do very much to the cultivator after what you saw the other day. And then now Dad is row crop cultivating the corn, so let's go see what's happening. Well guys, Dad's gonna finish that field and then he's going to be done row crop cultivating for now, because the corn at the other farm is too small because it was planted 2 days later. So it's just gonna be a little bit too small to cultivate, but he'll get to that probably early next week if it's small enough and if it's dried out enough over there. But I hope you found this video interesting, because I like row crop cultivating. It's really satisfying to see the rows just get cultivated up and the corn's still standing, but between the rows it's cultivated, weeds get killed, and it's really cool to see. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy this video, give it a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe right down below. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.